Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving continuous functions often look tricky, but you can solve them quickly by testing the properties of the function against the given answer choices. Since the function is continuous, it must take on every value between its minimum and maximum. We know f of 0 is -2 and f of 1 is 5. The intermediate value theorem states that for any value between f of 0 and f of 1, there exists a c such that f of c equals that value. Boom! Option A is not guaranteed because the max could be higher. Option C is outside the range, and option D requires differentiability, which is not given. That makes B correct. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore the range when you use IVT to test your function-specific endpoints.